In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run two PowerPoint presentations at the same time. Whether you're presenting multiple reports or comparing different sets of data, having two presentations open side by side can be incredibly efficient and beneficial for a seamless workflow. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you have everything set up just right. To get started, you'll first want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is basically your hub where all the action begins, and it's as simple as clicking on the PowerPoint icon to launch the application. Once you're in, navigate to the presentation you need to run. You can do this by browsing through your files or selecting it from the recent documents list if you've opened it before. Once your first presentation is open, everything is set for the next step. Now, without closing out of your initial presentation, go ahead and click on the Start menu once again. This is where you can easily access programs on your computer. You're essentially going to repeat the first step to initiate a new instance of PowerPoint. Type PowerPoint in the search bar of your Start menu, and when it appears in the search results, open the program again. This allows you to launch a second instance of PowerPoint without closing the first. With the new window of PowerPoint open, you're now ready to load the second presentation. Navigate to the file you want to display alongside the first one and open it. At this point, you should have two separate PowerPoint windows open, each containing a different presentation. This is the key setup that allows you to run both presentations simultaneously. To enhance your presentation experience, you might want to adjust the windows so they fit comfortably on your screen. You can do this by clicking and dragging the edges of each PowerPoint window to resize them, enabling a side-by-side or top and bottom view depending on your preference. This way you can monitor and control both presentations without any hassle. And there you have it. You're now capable of running two PowerPoint presentations at the same time without any technical glitches. This setup can work wonders whether you're in a meeting, analyzing data, or lecturing in a class. The flexibility of having two presentations open gives you the freedom to present content dynamically and respond to feedback or questions more effectively. I hope this guide makes your presentation tasks a bit simpler and more organized. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.